And this secret ingredient will make my strawberry salad dressing thicker than yours. Strawberry salad dressing is just so easy to make. I'm starting with a cup of thawed frozen strawberries. Now you want to make sure they're thawed or you're going to have a smoothie instead of salad dressing. Okay, I need 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now this could also be red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar, whatever your choice is. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Now this can be olive oil. Right now I'm using avocado oil. I could have used grapeseed oil. Then of course you need a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to give this a little stir. And then use my immersion blender. Now you could use a regular blender, you could use like one of the little bullets. There's just all sorts of things you can do. Okay, now that just did not take long at all. Now for those who like poppy seed, you could have used a little poppy seed, but you can see how that looks. Okay. And of course, if you like it a little thinner, you could have stirred it up a little bit. That is so yummy. Now to this, I'm going to add some xanthan gum. Now it is in many of your commercial salad dressings. It helps make it a little thicker and keep things separating as bad. Okay, so we're going to put... I'm going to start with half a teaspoon and just kind of see how thick that becomes. Then I'm going to use my immersion blender. Okay, you can see it's just a little bit thicker. Now xanthan gum, as long as you don't use too much, it's not going to add any additional flavor. But you don't want to go hog wild. You just want to add a little at a time. I used a half a teaspoon. If you had more of a salad dressing that did not have like the strawberries in it that helps thicken it up, then you would have probably have used a teaspoon. But I'm going to put this on this wonderful mixed green salad and we'll just see how yummy it is. And now we're ready to build a beautiful mixed green salad that your family will absolutely love. So let's take our mixed greens. This is kind of a half spinach and half mixed greens. It's really important you get this. Check your bag when you buy it and make sure there's not any bad leaves in it. And then we're going to add some feta cheese. Now some goat cheese would have been great on it. Let's add some feta cheese. Just depends on how much you like. And now some fresh strawberries would have been nice, but I didn't have any. You could use dried apricots. I've got some dried cranberries. So I want to add some dried cranberries to it. This could also be raisins. I prefer dried cranberries to raisins. And then I had some leftover bacon from a meal I made last night, so let's just add some little crumbled bacon to that. And of course, if you don't like bacon, just leave it out. And now we're ready to top this with our strawberry dressing. You You see how nice and thick and creamy that is? It's not all going to fall to the bottom of the bowl. Just see how pretty that is. Now you could leave extra dressing on the table for those who want a little more. Now you want to make this in small quantities because it only is going to keep less than a week in the refrigerator. But I know your family is just going to love this, and it'll take any meal to the next height. And you should be able to find xanthan gum in your grocery store. Bob's Red Mill is the most well known. But if you cannot find it at your grocery store, I will leave the link in the description bar. Like, subscribe, and share so you do not miss any of these easy to please recipes.